Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our last lecture of this PHP series. And in this video, I'm not going to teach you anything, but in this video, we are going to learn about the scope, your future steps that you should take, the technologies that you should learn, and how you can become successful as a PHP developer, and what is demand of PHP programming language in our current modern era. So basically this is 2023 and this is the second last month of this year, and I am working on this programming language since 2018. And if you will ask me that on which programming language I am more confident, obviously I'm going to say that is PHP. So first of all, I want to say you that in this course you just have learned about core PHP and how PHP can interact with database like MySQL. In the next video, you have to learn object oriented PHP. You can see that there is a course available on this website named w3schools.com, and here you will find some lectures about object oriented programming. And basically object oriented programming, this is a programming style in which we make classes and then objects and something like this. And the benefit to use object oriented programming is you can handle large projects easily, because when you will build projects, I recommend you to not use core PHP, because object oriented programming is the technique that allow you to build robust applications, and your code will be in structure and you will be avoid by automatically by repeating your code. So the first step you have to take is learn the object oriented programming. And next, let me talk about PHP scope. In the future, there will be many websites that will be built on PHP, and you can also do freelancing. If you will learn PHP, you can learn one thing, that PHP custom plugin development. This is one of the most important field, and we are also working on that. You will learn PHP custom plugin development, and on Fiverr, Upwork, and these type of freelancing websites, you will grab the clients that will require some custom functionalities in their WordPress website. And if you will expert in PHP, object oriented programming, and core PHP, then you will able to build those plugins. So I also recommend you to learn WordPress backend development. And once you will learn the PHP, you can also build themes for WordPress. Maybe you can directly create theme and sell on marketplaces like Envato Market. Here I will search for Envato Market WordPress themes. So let me open the first website. Here you can see that there are many themes that are developed by international companies, and they are selling their themes on this website. So you can maybe, I know that this is going to be a little bit hard, but still you can choose this path. And obviously maybe some agency will hire you to build themes if they are working on that already. So the second is, there are other content management systems like Joomla, Drupal, and there are also another content management systems that are backed by PHP. So if you will expert in this language, that will also help you. The next thing is, PHP syntax is similar to other programming language. Like if you learn like JavaScript or Python, which is also one of the most popular programming language nowadays, the syntax of those programming languages is similar to PHP. So once you will clear your concepts, you will also be able to working on these programming languages like JavaScript and Python, and there are many other programming languages, because syntax of these programming languages match with PHP. So you just have to make a good command on this programming language, that will, so other programming languages will become easy for you. And the next thing I want to say you that single PHP is not enough. Before that, I have told you that you must have to learn the WordPress, plugin development and theme development. And the second is, there are many clients, there are many organizations, there are many companies who are working on projects, they don't like WordPress. So I recommend you to learn PHP framework. The most important PHP framework is Laravel. Once you will become expert in Laravel, object oriented programming and PHP will help you to learn this framework. And one thing you will also learn, that model view controller, that is a programming technique you will learn while learning Laravel. Once you will learn Laravel, it will become easy for you to build applications, and there are many international level applications that are being constructed, that are being developed in software houses, and they are developing that in Laravel, because Laravel provide you many features. Basically, Laravel simply a framework. Suppose you, if you learn Bootstrap make you easy to style your HTML elements, but similarly Laravel is framework, and it makes you easy to build applications in PHP. So friends, this was my guide to you, and next you can do one thing. Only learning a programming language is not enough. I recommend you to learn to build some projects. Like you can build e-commerce website, you can build a school management system, and something similar to this. When you will build projects, it will give you clarity on that specific programming language. Suppose maybe in the beginning you can create an e-commerce website from PHP, using PHP, because when you learn syntax, that you see that these things are easy, but when you will actually working on any project, that is your actual learning. So I recommend you to must build maybe 1 to 2 projects, like e-commerce website or a school management system or other projects similar to like this. So this will help you to increase your skill. I request you to tell us that how was this course. If you like this course, please also let me know in the comment section, and if you have any suggestion that how we can improve our this course and in the future tutorials, you can also recommend us in the comment section. And please like this video and share this video with your those friends who want to learn web development. And in the coming videos we are going to teach you about ChatGPT and Shopify especially. And finally, thanks for watching.